So keep this is here and delete by tech history, delete by tech z g, delete by tech history. G is nothing but a group, and keep one weapon is like this, and one more weapon. Take one wood is create like wood, rotate minus 90 degree, increase it the size, try to bring down higher in between 2-3 lines, 2-3 lines here, and try to modify like a wood B and modify like wood cuts are here like this. And end of the day, soften edges or harden edges, it is up to you, but keep in harden edges, this problem will not come. So edge line mein B delete one area and try to pull this line, select the faces 1 2 3 and bring it little bit here and there. So wood never will be a straight or something like this, so try to take these areas. Bevel here, small bevel, add one more connection and pull this line is down like cutting, and 1 to bevel it like cutting. You can keep it and try to keep group, Control Z W, and try to keep it here. Presentations are very important. Soften edges, hire the line one supporting connection here, so that black thing will go, hire the one supporting connections are here. Now like wood, if you feel chamfer, and that will be a higher one more connection is here, and a higher one more connection will be here. So chamfer, I'm creating the presentation today, so try to create this, pull it little bit inside and keep insert edge loop like wood, and one it will be like this, and one Control D, rotate, and keep it like this. Presentation are in rotated. Now select everything is here like this. Chamfer, wood, object mode, insert edge loop, keep it here, and right click, assign material, go to the new material, and here we should take occlusion. What is that? Occlusion, and try to render. Occlusion models are coming like this. Now with occlusion, what should I do is, I'll remove this, bring front, create one box, one, two, take off as much you can, front also. So covering the part is very important. Take 1 and 2, bevel, go to the bevel, inside function may try to add connections, and here also add occlusion, new occlusion, add occlusion, delete by history, don't keep any history is here, occlusion, but color no, little bit of blackish. Then this one, this is too much of whitish, and that is little bit of blackish, so that you will come to know what exactly it is you are getting there, right? So wood cut में, wood में, once what we do is we'll hide this model and see, Control Z, Control H, and try to see this is alone single model, how it looks. In the bigger render, what happened, we will do it a bigger render. In bigger render में supporting connections 1, 2, instead of soften we'll do a smooth, and when we are doing smooth, so that is fine in the wood area, but here I want this is to be a bigger render. In HD, go to the render settings, here HD 720, save and keep render in HD 720, and try to see the noise area. So everything is clean, render is coming, render is cleaned. And if you guys want one more this one, we'll make here to sleep, like in down mein what happens, one is we added shift Control H and same model upper arrow and let it be here, center pivot. So I'm not going to disturb that model, let it Clear? Now you can able to see the better details. You can able to see model also. This is the presentation. So along with this presentation, so I need to remove the noise. In render settings may go back here and see add enable this and try to render it. This is the final render for you. This is the final render for you, and tomorrow is your submission. So render it once. Still you can edit it as wood till if you wanted to give more impact. First little bit down, cracks. Wood may this is one problem. So what I will do, I will take this and chamfer. Wood is more sharp, right? Wood is end area mein it will be more sharp. Smooth. Average. Solution is important. You guys can give the solution. When you are rendering, this problem should not come. So try to manage those problems. Smooth it. Look and feel will change. So try to take this. Once you get your occlusion, save it here, or you guys can save as images. Where you should save: desktop, D drive, and jpg 1 weapon underscore 1, and here keep any one of the other references. Yeah, jpg render 2. Guys, I am doing one mistake is here. What is that is, you should on color manage tool is here. Okay, otherwise you will get a problem while saving it. So here save has resave 1 and color managed is on, otherwise the black little black kind of render will come, so that should not happen. So keep this as 1 or 2, 1 or 2, and here select one more, right click, render. Before render, go to the wireframe. Wireframe mein click it here, and what you do, polygon, and try to render. See the black is coming right in the render area, so that black we should remove. How we should remove is, try to reduce the size here, keep around 500 is enough, 5 is enough, so that you can render. This is one technique to reduce that black, and one more technique is that I will hire occlusion 2, and this 2 are going to be a control A, find out where exactly you are taking, delete by the history, wireframe. This is black, and this is white, so reverse strategy and use 0.1 itself and try to take. I think wireframe we should reduce it right now, because that the handles are coming totally white. So come back, stop this render here, using cap, and here 0.5. Save as JPG, color managed, and save it. So my job is done. This is the presentation. You guys can do it in presentation anywhere and however you want it. So I'll save this file and try to stop the recordings.